the fringe benefit is a payment to an employee, but in a different form to salary and wages. So it's a benefit of being an employee, but not a payment in cash. So what is fringe benefits? I'm kind of going to read a lot of this stuff, but the fringe benefit is a payment to an employee, but in a different form to salary and wages. So it's a benefit of being an employee, but not a payment in cash. So like a salary and wages. So examples of fringe benefits include personal use of a work vehicle. So private and personal use, there are exemptions and reductions for this stuff too, but just generally, giving an employee a loan that's not on commercial terms, paying a gym membership for a team member, giving them entertainment like free tickets to a concert or a movie, reimbursing an expense that they've incurred that's not tax deductible, so school fees or some sort of private stuff that they've got going on. And then giving benefits under a salary sacrifice arrangement. So there's certain salary sacrifice things that you actually have to pay fringe benefits tax on. So, but there's a lot that you don't too. So again, it's the rules around this are very detailed, but it's good to kind of know the broad stuff. Now, if they aren't exempt fringe benefits and you end up paying fringe benefits tax, or let's use the acronym FBT for that, it's the equivalent to paying like the highest marginal tax rate on the expenses anyway, before you give the benefit to the employee. So yeah, if you're providing a fringe benefit, it's actually costing you pretty much the highest marginal tax rate. And what they want to avoid doing is, let's say you think, before these fringe benefits rules came in, imagine you had a situation where you've got a good employee, you want to give them not a cash bonus, but sort of say thanks in a different way. And, crazy example, but you end up buying them a Lamborghini and say, look, here, you can have this. Now that's a fringe benefit. Now, if they didn't have these rules to stop that, then you could give that fringe benefit to them. And because they're an employee, you could kind of argue, hey, that was to do with their employment at work. So I should be able to claim a tax deduction for that. And because it's not salary and wages, why should they get taxed on the Lambo? So, I'm kind of working through to find a bit of a loop there. So basically what they've said is, well, if you're going to do that, structure that, that sort of arrangement, we've got this thing called FBT, fringe benefits tax. It's going to tax you on the value of that asset or whatever you're giving them.